how's it going YouTube? Back out with the Traxxas Slash. This is a street eliminator build, as y'all know. So yesterday when I was doing some testing, I was only getting like 42 my top speed. So I did some adjustments. I got the GPS on there now. I'm gonna see if we get any more speeds within 132 feet, and then we're gonna go from there. So far the car's running good. Let y'all see them tires. They hooking up nice, but I'm gonna need some new ones before the event. So I went to my local hobby shop. He ordered some primes, so hopefully he'll be hit by like Friday, so he says. So we'll see. If not, another hobby shop, hobby headquarters, got some, so I'll shoot over there and grab some from there. Either way, but let me go ahead and get this set up, and then let's go ahead and get these runs in. All right, guys, got the GPS all zeroed out. Sorry about that. Go ahead and start it. So I just want to see what it's doing in that 132 feet. See, try to get a good pull in. Go from there. See, say I only got 39. I gotta step that up. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it like that. Get some more hits in. See if I can beat that. All about that takeoff. So right now we at 39. Let's see if she can beat that. I had to let off for that one. It's a pothole over there. Wasn't trying to hit that. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, y'all. Still at that 39. Hopefully y'all see that. Gotta get this pulling, see what she do. $39, we ain't getting no more, y'all. At least we know she hitting nice though. So I'm gonna just get some test hits in and go from there. Right where that cone is at, that's that 132 mark. So I know I'm definitely holding the throttle past that. Yeah, I heard a tire coming on. Sound like it was getting up right there though. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and reset the GPS, see what else if we get a better pull off or a restart. But when I went to my local hobby shop and I was asking for some parts, it was pretty much all sold out. Time to start it. He said everybody was talking about this event that's coming up, so hopefully we have a nice turnout this weekend. Alright, y'all, here we go. Say we only got 27 that time. Alright, y'all see my tire keep coming unglued. I glued everyone and ran out of glue, so I left this one unglued, but I hear it wobbling in the big end, so I know that's slowing me down too, for the most part. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try to come out full throttle all the way and see if she holds. She did hold though. She definitely did hold.